All right. Okay. This is why I always talk about a market, and sometimes I also talk about sports trading and futures, so that you will understand why I say these things. The reason I say these things sometimes is because of something like this. Some persons buy very high, expecting the price to go higher, and the price will eventually drop drastically. All right, so you can see that Bitcoin dropped to 81,000. A lot of persons, when Bitcoin was 124, a lot of persons never believed that Bitcoin could go lower than 100,000, right? Now, but Bitcoin has gone even below 90,000 to 81,000. All right. So, and but if you take a look, comparing the price of Bitcoin to the other years, to the previous years, for instance, if we check all, you can still see that Bitcoin is still up. All right, Bitcoin price is still higher than the previous years, which means the market is not really fully bearish compared to the previous years. All right, now a lot of persons will also have their own ideas about this market. Do you think that Bitcoin could go to 70,000 level? Do you think so? Looking at the period we are, if you take a look at the previous years, you discover that period like from December and mostly December January period, Bitcoin price always dropped drastically. All right, if you study like last year, Bitcoin also dropped like this. In fact, the entire crypto market was bearish. All right, this period, right? So do you actually think that Bitcoin can still recover from this particular price? Okay, so what do you think about the price of Bitcoin uh, currently? All right, so that is it. If you go to news, you see a lot of persons making their own speculations. All right, people making their own speculations about the market. All right, for instance, if you go to mines, you can see fear and greed index at below 11. Buy in extremely fear. Okay, and then this person say it may wipe out 80k and then reverse, but I think long position need to see at least one day close in green, which may count as the end of wave 5. All right, so a lot of person making their own speculation. You see what this person said. A swing trade concept said Bitcoin recovers from recent heavy drops, lifting from 83,600 as buyers show fresh interest. Safely sits at 92,000, while eyes move toward 86,000. Market move improves slightly as risk asset gain some confidence. All right, so this type of market is not good for spot trader. This type of market is good for what? For future traders, because you can easily, like yesterday, I actually scalped MNT and I made some good profit. All right, before even the market dropped further. Yeah, and I entered a short trade. All right, so you can actually scalp the market as future trader and always come out in profit if you understand the market technical analysis and all that. So a lot of places will come here and put their own idea, but it is not final. So you always have to apply your own strategy, learn technical analysis, and study the chart, not what people say. Study the chart, apply your own strategy in any of your trades. All right, over $1 billion has been liquidated from the crypto market in the past 60 minutes. You can see that it was just one candle that dropped to 81,000. All right, yesterday. All right, this person says 68,000, the end of the story for Bitcoin. So a lot of people will just have their own ideas. This one say, I like how newbies still trust in grow. So this person is laughing that newbies will still trust that the Bitcoin price will still go up. Alright, so a lot of persons are making their own speculation and what they actually think about Bitcoin. This person say, I told you Bitcoin short to 64,400 and up to 76,000. Smart money. So so that is it. So what do you actually think that will happen from this point? As at now, it is a 3,700. What do you think will happen? Do you think Bitcoin will further drop to 70,000 or even 68,000 or 64,000 and some places were predicted, or you think the market will start reversing from this point? You can drop your thoughts in the chat box or in the comment section. Thank you.